Hi, this is Stephanie. I'm going to talk now about using adhesives on your scrapbook pages. The most basic kind is an adhesive dispenser. They come in various different types. They usually are refillable. You would just open it up and add it in. You just basically take it, and whatever you want to adhesive down, you would just kind of put a small little bit on each corner. A lot of people want to take these and run it all the way across. Not necessary. Just little corners of it. So it's not wasteful, because it is sort of expensive. This is probably one of the more expensive items that you could buy as far as adhesive. Another important one that I would recommend are glue dots. Glue dots are great to put down your small embellishments, metal, buttons, things like that. They work very easily. You just take the item, there's a small dot, you press it on the dot, and then you're ready to go. They also come as pop dots, which are a really thicker glue dot, and it will make your item stick up a little bit more. So if you're looking for that look, you can get those. Double-sided tape is good to put down vellum. Also glitter or beads work well on this because it has adhesive on both sides. You can also buy special glue for metals. You come in a pen form or a squeeze bottle form. Those work really well. You can also use this for glitter if you just want like a curly section of glitter. These kind of things are what you're going to need to do that. Also, if all else fails, you can turn to a glue stick. Glue sticks are probably not the sturdiest adhesive that you can use, but they'll definitely do in a pinch.